you're passionate about pastry, baking, and desserts of all kinds, I have exciting news for you. ICE now offers a nationally accredited pastry and baking arts diploma program online. Aside from your externship in a professional kitchen, the program is taught 100% online. That means you can get a professional training in the techniques and art of pastry and baking from the convenience of your own kitchen. The curriculum also includes in-depth palate training, so you can get a real understanding of how flavor works.
Drawing from the pastry and baking techniques of France, Italy, Austria, and Switzerland, as well as contemporary American variations, our Pastry and Baking Arts and Food Operations program is both artisan in nature and international in scope, reflecting today's trends. Each week, you'll bake at home during a pastry and baking lab. This is where you'll apply what you've learned from readings and videos and chef-led lectures. You'll document your experience by making notes and taking photos and videos throughout the process. Your chef instructors will review your work and provide personalized feedback each week.
Your education is our main focus. With a strong emphasis on theory, our curriculum starts with cakes, custards, and classic European pastries. This is foundational knowledge that all pastry chefs and bakers should know. The bread portion of the curriculum includes yeast-based classics like bagels, sourdough, pizza, and baguettes.
You will practice the essential techniques of cake decorating and tempering chocolate. ICE's diploma program also dives into the art of plated desserts, preparing you to create intricate and imaginative recipes on your own. We also teach best practices for managing restaurants, bakeries, and other food businesses, so our graduates have a management toolkit to use throughout their careers and key knowledge if your goal is to be a baking entrepreneur.
As a full-fledged ICE student, you also get free access to the school's extracurricular activities. Experts and culinary entrepreneurs come to ICE to teach, lecture, and cook for our students, and you get to benefit.
To round out your experience, you'll spend the final part of the program working in a hands-on externship in a professional kitchen. Our career services team will help you in securing an externship that aligns with what you're looking for. This is the opportunity for you to put your baking skills to the test and gain invaluable experience and connections in the field.
With ICE's online program, you don't need to relocate to attend a top pastry and baking school. You'll put in about 16 to 18 hours per week from home, and the diploma that you receive at the end is accredited and recognized worldwide by leading chefs and restaurateurs. Take the first step toward your dream career and enroll today.